So we got the candies boiling, it's coming up to temperature. So while we're doing that, we're prepping everything else because as soon as it gets to the right temp, there's no turning back. So we need to have all of our flavors. This is a proprietary blend of flavors that we're gonna go measure out and have ready for the next batch.
These are all flavors down
Those are
here?
all flavors, and so some of them stay individually, some of them get blended. Marshmallows, peaches, watermelons, green apples, different manufacturers, anything you could possibly imagine. You put water in there and you have to boil all the water out. So candy, basically, as it goes through the stages from sugar to hard crack, is all relative to the percentage of water that's in it. So for what we're trying to make, we have to get below 2% water content.
And how do you make that measurement?
You trial and error based on elevation, humidity, boiling point, and screwing it up a whole bunch.
And how hot is that? Hot enough to burn your flesh off? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've dropped it on me. We all have burns. You got burns? You got big burns. It burns you quick. And it sticks to you.